Hi there, it's Jim Pelley with Fantasy RV Tours, and we are in Calgary for the Stampede. And we have our entire campground, Camp Fantasy, set up in the parking lot of McMahon Stadium. We've run water, we've run electrical, and our guests are all getting ready to head out for breakfast this morning. We have about 100 folks that we're taking to a very special place. Calgary for the Calgary Stampede, and we have some VIP seating for our guests, and the parade is about to start. It's day 5 of our Calgary Stampede rally, and this morning we had a great breakfast and a private tour of Heritage Park. Later in the evening, we headed over to the GMC Stadium for the world-famous Chuckwagon races and the evening show featuring the young Canadians and the most amazing fireworks I've ever seen.